Hi everyone. When my internet went down earlier today, I was in the middle of making the PDF and then I meant to show you how to package your InDesign file, and I realized about 5 minutes ago that I forgot to go over that with you. So I've opened up my assignment 1 again, and in order to package everything, you want to make sure that none of your images are missing, none of your fonts are missing, everything looks the way it's supposed to look. And in order to tell that, you can go into links, and as long as you don't see this little hazard icon next to any of your images, you should be good to go. It will also throw up an error if you do have an error when you are packaging. So to package your file, all you do is go up into File, Package, pretty easy, and it's going to say, links and images, and it'll show you 3 links are found, 0 are modified, 0 are missing. So that's good. It'll say that 6 fonts are used, 0 are missing, so that's good as well. And it'll show you the fonts that you used in your document, the links and images in your document, the color and ink, so you can make sure it's set up as CMYK. If you had any RGB colors, they would show up down here, and you should go into your color palette and change those over to CMYK. So again, just make sure everything looks good, and then you're just going to hit this package button, and it's going to have this file name of instructions.txt. You can just hit continue right there, and it's going to ask you what you want to name your folder. So I normally name it after our assignment, so you can leave it as DES. Mine is S. McNamara Assignment 1, and then I will make sure that it's copying the fonts, copying the linked graphics, updating graphic links and package, and this is the default. You can leave it as this with these 2 unchecked, and then you just hit the package button. And then it says restrictions apply to copying font software, yada, yada, yada. You can just hit OK, and it's going to package this document. So after you package the document, what you can do is go into where you have saved it. Hopefully you are saving everything in DES 105 and week 1 folder, so it'll be easy for you to find. And you can navigate down. Here is my DES 105, Shannon McNamara Assignment 1. Let's see what's in there. I have a folder which has an InDesign file, an IDML. This is a new thing that InDesign does when you package. It puts in a legacy file, so if someone is running an older version of InDesign, they will still be able to open up your document, which is pretty cool. It's put the PDF of my document in there and all of the links, so those are my images, and then all of my document fonts. So now when I send this over to a printer, whoever opens it will be able to open up my InDesign file and will be able to work inside of my file and won't have anything missing. So that's why we package everything, so we don't forget an image and we don't forget any fonts or a PDF of what the document looks like. So after that, after everything's packaged, and if it looks good, you can right-click on your folder and go to compress, and that will make a zip file of your package folder, and you can upload that with your PDF for your assignment for this week. All right, thanks everyone. I'm sorry I forgot to go over this earlier. As I said, it got a little bit crazy when I lost the internet for a couple of minutes there. But if you have any questions on packaging or on those glyphs, please refer to the glyph video, that's hard to say, that I created earlier today. I hope you all have a great night.